I'm going to be using today is this one I got as a gift from a friend all the way from Italy by Danke Liefje. So I'm going to be using only the skin on my face, and it is the look I did over here. I have to say, I usually tend to go towards oranges and purples, but blue is a big step for me and I'm digging it. So this is my everyday look now, blue eyeshadow. Who says you can't wear blue eyeshadow? I say you can, so you will. So if you would like to see how I created this look only using products from this palette over here, you should keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to start with primer. So the bottom layer is the primer layer. So I'm going to start with a lip primer. And there's an eye primer as well. I'm just going to be using my finger for that. It's got a really like creamy, smooth, buttery consistency. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put a little bit of it around my nose. Okay, so that's for primer. Feels pretty good on the skin. It's got more of a waxy consistency than I'd say creamy. Do my concealers. I'm not sure if any of these are my shade, but there's 4 shades. I'm just gonna try and see if any of them match. I think they might be slightly too dark and slightly too light. So I'm just gonna mix 3 of them. I think actually one of these might be a nice contour shade. Let me use my mirror. Not bad. That looks nice. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna go all out and I'm gonna highlight with this as well. I just quickly set my face with some baby powder because there's no translucent powder in this palette. So I'm moving on to blush and contour. So they actually have a blush and contour section. So it's blush, contour and strobing. I like how they call it strobing. It sounds so professional. So I'm going to use a contour shade first. I'm going to use a mixture of the 2 colors. That's pretty. Like when I do makeup for camera, I do it slightly darker so that you guys can actually see the color, but I think I might actually be able to use this in like day-to-day makeup, which is pretty exciting. So it's gonna go around the nose as well to just warm it up. Jawline, 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 and then around the forehead, because voorkop, you know. Just taking it around the sides of the temples, just warming up the whole face. I really like this shade. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go into the blush shades. I'm just going to mix the 2 shades. It's like nice and soft. Rubbing / highlighting. They have 2 shades. One is a matte and the other is a shimmer one. Can't say. I feel like I'm going to use I need a more compact brush to pick up. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's like a really nice, soft, champagne-y shade. Let's highlight everything. Everything. Only highlight the important parts. So everything. Highlight everything because everything's important. I'm going to move over to the brows. They actually have 3 eyebrow shades and they have a little brush, like a little flat brush, angled brush, that you can use for your brow. So I'm going to try and use the middle shade and mix it with the darkest one. So it would be those three. But let me not spoil this. Let me use a proper brush. A soft brown shade in the crease. That's nice and pigmented. I like. She likes. Then under the eye as well. I'm really liking how this concealer is holding up. I didn't think it would, but it actually is. Darker shade just on the outside. Buff it in. So I'm just using a brown shade to make the crease darker. It's like when you say I'm just doing like a natural day look and then BAM! Not a natural day look. I actually think I'm going to go back to my little sponge applicator and I'm going to use a shimmery blue shade. Yes, I said blue. I'm going to use blue. Twice by mooi. Back in with my brush and blend out the outlines. Excuse my lack of attention. I've ended up blending out the eyes without noticing that this camera stopped filming. But I just added on a little bit of a shimmer in the inner corner. I also used the mascara that comes with this kit. Like this kit literally has everything. So it's a really nice beginner's gift. Or just someone that's slightly obsessed with makeup gift. Me. So I used the mascara. It's been about 15 minutes now and the mascara has not dried down. So probably the only two things from this kit I will never use is the mascara because I sneeze a lot. Because apparently not everyone sneezes when they look into the sun. I sneeze every time I look into the sun. So that would not work. And then the eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner, so I'll gift it to someone that does. But moving on to the lippies. I love lippies. So because I've got a like nice blue smoky eye, I'm going to try and keep the lips like brownish nude, if I want to say. And this palette really has a lot of options when it comes to lipsticks. The thing I like about it is it's got like it tells you what you can use it for or what it is. So you've got your glosses, you've got your nudes, you've got your shine, you've got your classic, and then you've got your mixing zone. I love the mixing zone because you can change the tone of all of your lipstick with just like adding a drop of purple or a drop of yellow. Guys, I'm really liking this contour. It's making me feel nice. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna mix in a nude with a little bit of purple just to give it some depth. Pretty sure it's gonna look bomb because I'm really liking everything in this palette so far. I'm not really a palette person because there's always something I can't use. Oh my goodness. This lipstick is extremely creamy. It smells like MAC lipstick. And I really like that. Okay, I'm actually not even going to mix another color into that. I do, however, think I'm going to add a little bit more of contour because I'm really liking the shade. Feeling really good about this. Not just the look, but the palette. Because it's kind of forcing me to try new things. And like, this is not really an eye I would do for an everyday look. Like, even though I love blues and not blues, like purples and oranges, like I don't find blue being a color I would usually tend to go for, but this is really pretty. I'll show you guys a close-up as well. Guys, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it or you would like to see me using this palette a few more times, please let me know. Please let me know down in the comments and I will be sure to make a new video about that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolute fabulous day. Remember, God loves you and have a blessed one.